911, what's the emergency?
Hi, it's our neighbors. I looked at their Facebook. Scary post on it.
Ma'am, what did the Facebook post say?
It said that bitch is dead. I fucking slashed that pig.
Okay, we're gonna send someone over right away.
2015년 미국의 한 주택가. 형사가 침대에서 발견한 것은 참혹하게 죽어있는 중년 여성이었죠. 사건이 발생하기 7년 전.
I really didn't believe in happy endings in the real world, not until now.
방송사와 인터뷰를 하고 있는 모녀.
That girl, she is stronger than she looks. I'm lucky to be her mom.
한 자선단체가 투병 생활을 하고 있는 집시를 위해 집을 기부했습니다.
And are you excited to be here and make new friends, Gypsy?
My mom already is my best friend.
You bet
Oh, yes.
she is.
집시는 병약한 소녀입니다.
Just in time for your medicine.
입으로 음식물을 씹지 못해 튜브로 죽을 먹고 하체가 마비되어 휠체어를 타야만 합니다. 집시가 복용해야 하는 약만 수십 종류.
And you protect me and I protect you.
다행히 집시의 옆에는 헌신적인 엄마 디디가 있습니다.
Hello, you must be our new neighbor.
다음 날 지씨의 집에 찾아온 방문자.
Oh, hey! You must be Gypsy.
Hi.
Cool hat.
It's so good to meet you.
Wow, you're a charmer, huh? I did see y'all on TV, actually.
단 한 번도 친구를 사귄 적 없는 집시. 이사 온 집엔 완벽한 이웃이 살고 있었던 것이죠.
Your necklace is so pretty.
My boyfriend gave it to me.
You have a boyfriend?
I mean, he's kind of a dumbass, but I don't know, I'll probably like marry him or something.
집에만 있는 집시에게 화장을 해줍니다.
I don't really think he liked having a kid who was crippled, but I don't remember that.
I had a bad dad too.
아버지가 떠난 공통점이 있는 그녀들은 서로 친밀함을 느낍니다.
Can we be friends?
Heck yeah, we can.
그리고 이 모습을 디디가 불안하게 바라보고 있죠. 레이 씨가 집에 가자마자
Here, wash all that stuff off of your face.
She just did my...
You are far too young.
억지로 화장을 지우는데요.
I know sometimes you want to be like everybody else. I like you special. Put a smile on that clean face.
다음 날 집시는 처음으로 이웃들에게 인사를 합니다.
You must be Dee Dee.
Well, you look awful young to be her mom.
That's a lie if I ever heard one.
레이 씨의 엄마 멜은 까칠하게 반응하는데요.
She's got the epilepsy, paraplegia, barely take anything by mouth.
집시가 앓고 있는 병들을 이야기해봐도
Can't watch them forever though, right? You gotta teach them to fend for themselves.
Everything is different with my gypsy. She can't fend for herself. She'll never be able to. That must be a burden to carry. Thank God I'm good at it, though.
서로의 견해차만 확인할 뿐이죠.
You want some?
레이 씨가 콜라를 건네주자
You dad.
She can have that. She could go into shock. We've already gone to the ER.
기겁을 하고 집으로 돌아가 버리죠.
Now, why do we carry this around with us?
In case I have a reaction.
And then your whole body gets itchy, like your face blows up like a balloon. Oh, we take care of each other, don't we? Yeah.
다음 날 쇼핑을 하러 나온 모녀. 사춘기에 접어든 집시는 요즘 꾸미는 것에 정신이 팔려 있었죠.
Can I have that necklace? Nobody's watching.
멜도 쇼핑을 하다 우연히 모녀를 발견하는데
No, Mom, no.
디디는 분명 목걸이를 훔쳤습니다. 그리고 집시는 망을 봐주고 있었죠. 범행이 들키자 집으로 뛰어간 디디.
Hi, Mel.
Hi, Mel.
하지만 멜은 대꾸조차 하지 않죠.
Mel, can I talk to you for a minute?
What?
Looked in the fridge and dang, we don't have any butter.
버터를 핑계로 눈치를 살펴보지만
You might have to go down to the store, you know? Pick some up.
대놓고 싫어하는 멜. 이때 집시는 엄마가 나간 틈을 타 몰래 노트북을 하고 있는데요. 다른 소녀들처럼 남자친구를 사귀고 싶지만 엄마는 남자 이야기라면 극혐합니다.
I think on this block, Mel is the queen bee.
Why don't we invite them over?
얼마 지나지 않아 집들이 파티가 열리고
Thank you for donating. Oh, that's so sweet of you. I can't believe it.
집시 주변에도 꼬마들이 모였지만 기다리던 레이 씨는 오지 않았죠. 실망 가득한 집시의 눈에 들어온 케이크.
Come on over here, Mel.
뒤늦게 멜이 나타나지만
I ain't one to keep my mouth shut. You know I saw what y'all were doing at the mall.
She's got the mind of a child. Sometimes she takes things.
The shit. Just think it's funny, this whole perfect mom act you got going.
필사적으로 변명을 찾고 있는데
Gypsy! Edie, what's wrong? I gotta get her to the emergency room.
알레르기 치료제를 주사한 이후 급하게 병원으로 달려가죠.
There, but for the grace of God.
다행히 몸에는 별다른 이상이 없습니다.
Why don't you listen to me?
Listen.
How's she doing?
그런데 병원에 멜이 찾아왔죠.
Well, you bolted so fast, you forgot your wallet. Don't want you to get pulled over without a license.
I'm bringing this. Some misdemeanors and such. People treated me like I was nothing. And I don't know, something.
멜도 그녀의 인생이 가련해 보이기 시작하죠.
Let's just forget it. I mean, it is what it is, right?
이날 밤 불편한 보조기를 쓴 채 침대에 누운 집시. 얼마 지나지 않아 잠에서 깬 그녀는 갑자기 보조기를 벗더니 두 발로 걸어다니기 시작합니다. 냉장고에서 집시가 꺼낸 것은 달디단 휘핑크림.
The Pediasure you give her has a lot of sugar. Your daughter does not have a sugar allergy.
Well, something's wrong with her.
의사는 분명히 단 것을 먹어도 된다고 했죠. 알레르기 치료제까지 두고 고민하던 집시는 휘핑크림을 먹기 시작합니다. 그리곤 아무 일도 일어나지 않죠. 혹시 엄마가 거짓말을 한 것이 아닐까.
I was thirsty.
Get in bed.
집시의 마음속에 의심이 점점 커져만 갑니다. 다음 날부터 집시에겐 비밀스러운 취미가 생겼는데요. 좋아하는 콜라를 마음껏 마시며 뷰티 유튜버의 영상들을 보는 것. 집시는 누구보다 예뻐지길 소망합니다.
Yes! Oh, yes!
기쁜 소식을 들고 침대로 달려가는 디디.
Springfield Gibbs. I'm the child of the year.
Yes! It's gonna be a celebration.
I can dress up in my princess dress and make friends.
You've always been my princess, but now you be everybody's.
입을 만지자마자 집시가 통증을 느끼죠.
Your teeth can't be going bad all on their own. Is your throat hurting? You got a burning in your chest and in your tummy.
디디는 위산 역류를 의심하고 있습니다.
I mean, it could explain the decay. Gypsy, do you take any food orally?
Oh, barely anything, just enough to get a taste.
하지만 의사는 위산이 역류한 흔적을 찾지 못하죠.
What did you say? She had her salivary glands removed?
집시의 의료 기록은 거의 백과사전 수준.
Can I just take a quick look at them?
I'm sorry, the records that you want were all lost during Katrina.
The good news is that feeding tubes don't have to be permanent.
They don't.
Oh, first things first. We got a dental emergency here. Gypsy, I gotta get you home, honey.
그리곤 도망치듯 자리에서 떠나버리죠.
Gypsy and Didi Blanchard, have you been able to obtain a complete medical history?
You know how Katrina affected
Right, no, of course.
뭔가 이상하다는 생각을 떨칠 수가 없는 찬드라. 지긋지긋한 튜브만 빼버리면 수영복을 입을 수 있을 텐데.
Dr. Shanra was right, Mom. Maybe I don't need my tube anymore.
You let your mama do the talking when it comes to doctors.
집시의 마음속에도 또 다른 의심이 커져만 가죠. 이때 찬드라는 집시의 기록을 역추적하고 있는 중.
Just tell me, just complete a couple of details of her feeding tube at that time.
Gypsy Rose Blanchard.
Children and Family Services, how can I help you?
학대가 의심되자 곧바로 기관에 신고한 찬드라. 하필 이 모습을 디디가 바라봤죠.
One of your medications in your meal this morning.
곧바로 찬장에 달려간 그녀는
Here, open. Oh.
수면제를 먹입니다.
Oh, I'm sorry. With that volume turned up on the television.
The law requires me to inform you that a report has been filed by a member of your community concerning the safety of your daughter, Gypsy.
Can't imagine who would be worried about Gypsy.
Where is Gypsy?
Oh, she's in the restroom.
집시의 정신은 점점 흐려지고
The mind of a 7-year-old.
Some of the questions can be hard for a child to answer in the presence of a caretaker. You can feel free to wait in the next room.
But Gypsy is ill.
In the doorway's fine.
디디부터 쫓아낸 조사관은
I see here you're 15 years old. Would you say the two of you usually get along, or there's some days that you don't? Does your mom ever make you do something you don't want to do?
Mostly we like the same thing.
I think I've seen all I need to today.
하지만 조사관은 별다른 이상을 발견하지 못하고 그대로 떠나버리죠.
I just don't understand who are calling that report.
Have a good day.
아무도 믿을 수 없게 된 디디는 모든 창문에 블라인드를 붙여버립니다. 이제 더 이상 이웃도 파티도 없죠. 다음날 충치를 제거하러 치과에 간 모녀.
The teeth are the eyes of the mouth. Pretty soon you'll have that beautiful smile back again.
치료를 받을 마음의 준비가 되지 않았지만
Could be a little while given the number of extractions that we have to do.
Extractions?
Oh, it's okay, dear. Relax and lay back. Better soon.
정신을 차린 집시는 멍투성이가 된 입 주변을 보고 맙니다.
You'll get new teeth soon, baby. Just takes time.
올해의 어린이 수상식을 앞두고 보기 싫은 충치를 모조리 뽑아버린 것.
My teeth.
It's nothing a little foundation can't help.
I know what pretty looks like, Mom.
I got you this award.
I don't want to go.
Gypsy!
결국 집시는 수상식에 끌려와야만 했죠.
You know how I always tell you that everything will always work out? Go on.
수상 소감을 발표하기 직전 의치를 준 엄마.
Oh my goodness. Do we have an award for Mother of the Year too?
Why didn't you give these to me before?
Just come this morning. Fresh from the dentist.
집시는 수상식에 화려하게 등장합니다.
Of the 2009 Child of the Year Award, the Gypsy Rose Blanchard comes with a gift from the community to help her devoted mother Dee Dee handle Gypsy's medical needs.
Raising a child like Gypsy, people want to turn you into that kind of person. But I'm not special. Gypsy saved me.
감동적인 포옹으로 수상식은 끝났지만 집시는 계속 병원을 다녀야 하죠.
I forgot to get you to fill out a few medical release forms.
이때 찬드라는 의도적으로 디디와 집시를 분리시키고
And remind me, what foods can you eat?
And no sugar, because I'm allergic, so if I have sugar, I could die.
Okay. And how do you know that?
Well, my mom did all the tests.
이때 찬드라는 놀라운 이야기를 꺼냅니다.
I'm gonna make you a bet. Can of Coke that you're not allergic. Just take a sip. And don't be scared. I'm right here. I'll take care of you right away. You can go crazy and have as much sugar as you want from now on. Go ahead. Just take one sip.
All she wants to do is keep me safe.
엄마의 말을 거역한다는 건 집시에겐 불가능한 일.
Even parents can get confused. And sometimes even parents need help that both of you need.
집시의 선택은 바로
My mom needs me. Mom, I was waiting for you.
어쩌면 집시는 이 사기극의 공범입니다. 하지만 이날 이후 엄마에게 마음의 벽을 치기 시작하죠. 2년의 시간이 지난 후
Your story warms my heart and gives me hope.
미국에서 유명 인사가 된 집시는 수많은 후원금을 받고 있었죠.
Kissing is a quiet activity. You don't want to hear too much smacking there.
요즘 집시는 인터넷에 흠뻑 빠져 있습니다. 특히 그녀는 코스플레이 복장에 집착하고 있었죠. 이때 집시가 살고 있는 동네 근처에서 미국 최대의 덕후 축제가 열립니다. 엄마에게 수십 번을 졸라 축제에 참여하게 된 집시.
One princess and one princess's mother.
How old are you?
15, born in 1995.
이미 성인이 되었다고 생각했는데
I thought you said I was born in 1993.
Since that car accident, my head is no good with numbers. I looked at your card, it said 1995.
이상하다는 생각은 들었지만 축제에 정신이 팔려버리죠. 디디가 잠깐 화장실에 간 사이
Hi. I'm Gypsy. I love Wolverine.
How old are you?
18.
남자와 대화를 나눈 적 없었던 집시는 친절하게 대해주는 스캇에게 곧바로 호감을 느끼죠.
Oh, wow. Look at that. We have to go look at that. Come on, let's go.
Of course, it's the DeLorean.
집시가 드로이 안에 커다란 흥미를 느끼자 공주님 안기를 하며 차를 태워준 스캇. 바보 같을 정도로 순진한 집시는 이 순간 사랑에 빠졌다고 착각합니다.
Are you on Facebook?
My mom and I have an account.
You're 18 and you don't have your own Facebook account?
What's yours?
이때 디디가 나타나며 이들의 만남은 순식간에 끝나버리죠.
Well, we have to get going.
이날 밤 엄마가 잠들자마자 페이스북 계정을 만드는 집시. 그러다 문득 진짜 나이가 궁금해집니다.
How old are you?
15, born in 1995.
아무리 생각해도 이상해 의료보험 카드를 확인하니 그녀의 출생 연도는 91년. 집시는 이미 성인입니다. 벌써 두 번째 거짓말을 한 엄마. 집시는 엄마가 숨겨두었던 비상금을 훔칩니다. 다음 날 주유소에 간 그녀는
35.25?
And one of those two.
엄마 몰래 선불폰을 사게 되는데요.
Hey, it's Gypsy from the convention.
So weird. I was just thinking about you.
It must be fate.
인생 처음 해보는 성인 남자와의 대화는
Scott, do you ever want to get married one day?
I just haven't met the right girl yet.
집시를 완전히 빠져들게 만들죠.
I'll give you my address in case you want to come take me away.
얼마 지나지 않아 택배가 도착하고
Are you Gypsy?
스캇이 보낸 택배엔 가발이 들어있었죠. 누구에게라도 자랑하고 싶었던 그녀는 레이 씨를 찾아갑니다.
I met my Prince Charming.
You did?
He's gonna take me far away from here. Oh my gosh, and we're gonna have a winter wedding so that we can be in the snow and I'll be like a snow gypsy. We have a secret.
나이는 성인이지만 집시의 정신 상태는 사실상 어린아이와 다를 바 없죠. 하지만 행복한 망상은 곧바로 깨어집니다. 남자친구가 병원에 있다는 소리를 듣자 콜택시를 타고 단숨에 달려가는데요.
Scott, oh no, what happened?
너무 달라진 그녀의 모습에 깜짝 놀란 스캇.
But you're walking.
Oh, shh, I can actually walk, okay? Don't tell anyone.
I can't get over this. I don't understand.
Don't you worry about anything now, okay? I'm gonna take care of you.
이때 디디는 집시가 사라진 걸 알게 됩니다.
Gypsy?
집시의 방엔 한 통의 편지만 남아있을 뿐.
Dear Mom, I'm in love and running away to get married. Love Gypsy, your 19-year-old daughter.
엄마의 촉으로 울버린을 수소문하는 디디. 이때 집시는 스캇의 집에 들어갔습니다.
I'm never sitting in that again. Now then.
What the fuck, man?
It's just me, man.
하지만 현실의 스캇은 친구에게 얹혀 사는 한심한 인생.
Wouldn't it be romantic if after all this time...
분위기 파악을 하지 못하는 집시가 이상해 보일 때
Is Gypsy here? Huh? Oh, I found your note. I just always will see you with my little girl. And I'm so sorry, baby. Anxiety attack. I was terrified.
I want to stay with Scott.
To cause a scene here, do you?
디디가 흘린 악어의 눈물에 또다시 넘어가고만 집시. 이렇게 첫사랑과 가출은 허무하게 종료됩니다. 집에 도착한 그녀를 기다리고 있는 건 두 다리가 멀쩡해도 타야만 하는 휠체어. 이 순간 집시는 다음 탈출을 계획하고 있죠.
Remind me when you last ate? Your blood sugar shouldn't be this high. We're gonna have to put you on insulin.
디디는 당뇨 판정을 받고 건강이 급속도로 나빠집니다.
Type 2 diabetes can be fatal.
Oh, you upset my daughter.
That's not my intention, but this is serious.
엄마가 아프기 시작하자 혼자 지내는 시간이 늘어나죠. 대학생이 된 레이 씨는 간만에 집에 옵니다.
I met this guy and he lives here. He's got a good job in construction.
How did you meet him?
It was online. It's cool because it shows you who's nearby. Look.
근처에 사는 남자들을 보자 흥미가 생긴 집시.
This is Dr. Buchanan's office, and I noticed in her file it says her birthday is in 1995. She's an adult now after all, which means we're going to need Gypsy to come in and give her signed consent.
디디는 곧바로 변호사를 찾아갔지만
Well, in order to execute a legal guardianship, local doctor to sign an affidavit. Can you read?
Yes.
Say you were home alone and feeling sick. What would you do?
Call my mom.
And if your mom didn't answer?
I would call 911.
I usually say, you know she's got the mind of a 7-year-old.
집시를 법적인 바보로 만들어 평생 동안 후견인이 데려왔지만
A judge would ask her all the same things that I just did. Daughter can answer specific questions about her health.
마음먹은 대로 일이 풀리진 않죠.
Medicaid, Make-A-Wish Foundation, disability, all of it. We need those papers.
What does that mean?
Explain it to you later.
엄마가 잠깐 쉬는 틈을 타 혼자 쇼핑을 하는 집시.
I was hoping you could help me with something. And she keeps saying that she really, really wants a laptop. How much is one?
노트북을 사자마자 포장을 뜯고 의자 밑에 숨긴 집시. 드디어 첫 번째 노트북이 생겼습니다. 멋진 남자친구를 만들기 위해 데이팅 사이트에 들어가려면 노트북이 반드시 필요했죠. 얼마 지나지 않아 그녀는 수많은 메시지를 받게 되는데요. 어쩐지 순박해 보이는 닉은 집시를 마치 공주처럼 대해줬죠. 시간이 날 때마다 영상 채팅을 하며 서로 깊게 빠져든 두 사람.
Well, actually, I'm worried that if I tell you, you won't like me anymore.
I would like you no matter what.
I use a wheelchair. Also, this isn't really my hair. I am sick. Do you still like me?
Of course I do.
비밀을 밝히자 마음이 편안해졌지만
Yeah, I think I do have, multiple personalities. It's me, Nick, but the other one is Dark. Actually, he's a vampire. His name is Victor.
That's okay. I guess that I'm a lot of different people too.
닉은 스스로를 다중인격이라고 믿는 망상장애가 있습니다. 사람을 만나본 적 없는 집시는 위험 신호를 감지하지 못하죠. 이때 디디는 변호사에게 전화를 겁니다.
But they said you could draft something called a power of attorney.
It's not the same thing as a guardianship, though. It's like I told you a few weeks ago. She gets to decide these things herself. She has to consent to a power of attorney.
얼마 지나지 않아 위임장이 배달되고
Gypsy. Oh, I'm real sick.
디디는 일생의 연기를 시작합니다.
As I figured out a way to keep us both safe, I need you to sign these papers.
But I'm old enough to...
You're old enough to be blamed. Everything we ever stolen, every lie, you'll be responsible. I'm trying to protect you from that.
감옥에 갈 수 있다는 사실상의 협박을 하자 집시는 사인을 하고 맙니다.
You can tell me anything, Gypsy.
I don't really need a wheelchair. She makes me stay in it.
What?
And they're all gonna be so mad if I ever tell them. So
I love you.
I love you too.
Like where I could be your prince in real life.
이제 집시가 의지하는 사람은 닉밖에 없습니다. 다음 날 디디는 문제의 노트북을 발견하는데요. 완전히 미쳐버린 디디.
What were you doing? What are you hiding from me?
Just get another one.
감옥 같은 집을 떠나 세상 밖으로 나가려 하지만
Gypsy, don't leave me.
결국 집시의 선택은 엄마가 만들어준 새장 안에서 사는 것. 엄마의 사기 없이는 집시도 살아갈 수 없습니다.
And I protect you. And you protect me. Remember?
이렇게 시간은 빠르게 흘러갑니다.
Hello, Victor.
It's almost 2 years now, and we still haven't.
Well, absence makes the heart grow fonder.
Maybe I could save up and come visit you.
If only you could just meet her like normal somehow.
You just tell me when and where.
집시의 건강은 매일매일 더욱 나빠집니다.
You could try exercising.
No,
Wouldn't that be
no, I said no. Do you have any idea all the things I do to keep a roof over your head? Why is it never enough?
몸이 아픈 그녀는 짜증이 점점 늘어가고 있죠. 반대로 집시의 마음속엔 엄마에 대한 불만이 커져만 갑니다.
20 for a large, 10 for a small.
보통 사람보다 지능이 떨어지는 닉은
She goes. It's really hot. Oh.
주변 사람들에게 은근히 무시받고 있는 처지. 극도로 외로움에 시달리던 이 커플은 서로에게 집착적으로 빠져듭니다.
Ruby needed you so bad today.
Violent things to defend you.
Like Ruby's wicked stepmom.
Don't ask Victor unless you actually.
루비, 빅터라는 인격을 만들어 현실에서 도피하기 시작하는 커플. 지긋지긋한 집을 떠나기 위해선 닉이 왕자님이 되어 자신을 구출해줘야 합니다.
Come visit me and my mom.
But that was before.
I booked you a bus ticket to come down to Springfield next.
우연을 가장해 닉과 엄마를 만나게 할 계획을 세우고 있죠.
But you have to make sure that you get to the theater early, and then you can open the door for us too, like a true gentleman. You can say, I want you to say like no princess should ever open her own door, which I believe 1000% by the way.
다음 주 목요일이 되자 닉은 스프링필드에 도착하고 집시는 왕자님을 만날 준비를 끝냈지만 아무리 둘러봐도 보이지 않는 왕자님. 하지만 닉은 결국 약속을 지켰습니다.
No princess should ever open her own door.
Excuse me?
벌레를 보듯 닉을 무시해버린 디디.
Gypsy! Oh, we got the whole place to ourselves. What do you keep looking over your shoulder for? The screen's up here.
왕자님이 또다시 나타났지만 기겁을 하고 도망치는 엄마.
Where are you going?
한 번 더 쫓아가 봤지만
Cut it out!
개무시당한 닉은 마음속에 분노가 차오르고 있죠. 결국 닉은 극장 밖으로 나가버리고
No, Mom, I can go by myself.
급히 상영관 밖으로 나오니 그들의 첫 번째 데이트 장소는 바로 화장실.
I don't think your mom likes me very much.
Can we please just forget about her for one?
You are the most beautiful woman that I've ever seen. You're even more beautiful in real life than you are on Facebook.
비록 장소는 누추하지만 그들은 첫 번째 키스를 하게 되죠.
Yes, I dreamed that it would be. And it actually is.
용기를 얻은 닉은 다시 한번 디디에게 접근해 보지만
Who are you? You're a creep! Stay away from my daughter!
You don't have to yell at him like that.
디디 앞에선 한마디도 못하던 닉은
I'm gonna call her and say who I am.
Wait.
Hello.
Basically, I'm the man who is in love with your daughter, Gypsy Rose.
Me and Gypsy don't have any secrets from each other. And there's nothing that you can do about it.
Don't you dare.
You don't talk to me that way.
복수를 했다고 믿는 닉은 빙그레 웃음 짓죠.
Gypsy, come back here.
남자를 만나는 걸 용납하지 못한 디디는 딸의 손을 침대에 묶어버립니다. 건너지 말아야 할 선을 넘어버린 그녀. 모녀 관계는 완전히 무너져버리고 말죠. 닉의 폭력적인 인격 빅터를 불러내
I will go with you and live our dream. She's never gonna let us be together. She said so.
That's her choice she made then.
Will you please kill my mother for me?
디디를 해칠 계획을 세우고 말죠. 얼마 지나지 않아 쇼핑몰에 간 집시는 아픈 엄마를 남겨두고 사냥용품점에 갑니다.
You looking to buy a present?
What's the best knife to use on a really big deer? Probably the penetration one.
결국 집시는 흉기를 구입하고 말죠.
You just worry about getting Victor on that bus and getting him down here. Can you do that?
Tomorrow night.
Tonight is the last night we sleep alone.
다음날 잠에서 깨어난 디디. 아무도 살림을 돌보지 않는 집은 이미 쓰레기장이 되어버렸죠. 퉁퉁 부은 엄마의 발을 바라보니
How would I paint your nails? Huh?
엄마에 대한 미안함이 들끓어 오릅니다. 아픈 몸을 이끌고 함께 병원에 와준 엄마.
The other day at the movies. I think I owe you an apology.
하지만 집시는 계획을 강행합니다. 디디와 마지막 인사를 나누는 집시.
And you protect me. And I protect you.
Good night, Mom.
엄마가 잠에 들자마자 닉에게 문을 열어준 집시.
Who's there?
너무나 순식간에 끝나버린 참극.
Can you let me in, please?
Okay.
닉의 눈빛은 완전히 돌아버렸습니다. 서둘러 범행 도구를 씻은 집시는 싸늘하게 식어가고 있는 엄마를 지나쳐 자신의 방으로 들어가죠.
I'm so excited that you're taking me on an adventure.
Welcome to the rest of your life.
And you're my prince. That's why you came to save me, right?
공들여 화장을 끝낸 그녀는 가발을 뒤집어 쓰고 그토록 떠나고 싶어 했던 집에서 탈출합니다.
I'm ready to go.
택시를 타고 근처 모텔에서 하룻밤을 보냈지만
Checking out already?
I'm gonna take her to someplace fancy. No offense.
Yeah, it's our first real date.
닉이 선택한 곳은 싸구려 패스트푸드점. 그녀의 눈에 경찰이 보이자
We're just here on a date.
We still have it. The knife. We still have it. Oh my gosh, can we please go?
집시는 닉의 엄마 집에서 얹혀 살 생각이었지만
There's just the one ticket on this reservation.
Did you check under Gypsy Blanchard?
Nothing.
Can I just buy a seat on this bus, please?
Unfortunately, it's chock full. The first seat I have on this route is 2 days from now.
I thought I checked it before I hit the button.
닉은 일상생활이 불편할 정도의 저지는
Well, look who's here. Welcome back.
We need to check back in.
엄마가 없는 현실은 생각보다 지옥입니다.
We're not supposed to be here. But you're not helping. You're not doing this right.
I do think about
No, you have to think about us. You have to think. You have to think.
이틀이 지난 후 결국 닉의 엄마를 만난 집시.
You must be Gypsy.
Thank you so much for picking us up.
Nick says you were staying at a homeless shelter for a few days. Your mother hasn't tried to reach out or call you or something?
Yeah.
화려한 궁궐에서 살 것이라 생각했지만
Is it always this cluttered? Where's the food?
Well, I usually get pizza from work, but today is unfortunate.
She should be taking care of you. If your mom's not going to provide for us, then I will.
밥을 먹기 위해 찾아간 곳은 작은 동네 마트.
Okay, you know what to say, right?
Do you have any of those mechanical scooters? My fiance sprained her knee.
Wait right here, okay, hon?
직원에게 말을 걸어 사각이 생긴 틈을 타 집시는 오늘 먹을 음식들을 훔칩니다. 이것이 엄마가 알려준 생존 전략이었죠.
Got you something to eat.
What did you put in this? Tastes weird.
집시는 스프링필드에 있는 집으로 돌아가고 싶습니다.
Are you okay?
I want to go home.
I don't think that we can go back there.
We just have to make sure that someone finds her body, and then the house will be empty. And then we could tell the police that it was someone else, and then...
경찰에 신고하기는 두려웠던 그들은
Then when you post something, it'll show up here where all of her friends can see it.
Like, what would a real, murderer say?
첫 번째로 포스트를 확인한 사람은 바로 레이시.
Mom, go to their Facebook page.
You turned off the locations before you sent that, right? I was arrested once, and the cops who took my computer couldn't even find my browser history without help.
신고를 받고 집을 수색한 경찰은 침대에 누워있는 디디를 발견합니다.
They tracked the Facebook post. So they Big Bend, Wisconsin.
Who's in Wisconsin?
얼마 지나지 않아 경찰은 집시를 찾아오고
Can we go out the window?
No, it's been nailed shut ever since I tried to jump out of it.
Attention! Attention! This is the Waukesha County Sheriff's Department. We have the house surrounded.
I didn't do anything wrong!
Nice and slow, hands where we can see them. Lie on your stomachs and be still.
My mom's gonna get rid of them. She doesn't like cops.
엄마는 경찰에게 취조를 받는 중
Is Nicholas Godage your son?
Yes, with his girlfriend. My son has mental issues. He didn't do it on purpose. He's harmless.
경찰이 집 안으로 들어가자
You saved me, right? I was held prisoner and you saved me. Because we didn't do anything wrong, sweetie.
Jennifer, get out of there! Hands on your face!
순식간에 체포돼 버리고 말죠.
Gypsy, what happened with your mom that night?
I don't know what happened with my mom.
You know what happened with your mom.
I have always loved my mom.
No more lies. Did you kill your mom?
No, sir.
집시는 범행을 완전히 부인했지만
Okay, I'll admit it. I saved her. She felt kind of trapped on a wheelchair. There's actually multiple personalities of myself.
아들이 범행을 인정했다는 말을 들은 엄마는
I mean, if you had done something like that to your own mother and you lost your mother, I mean, that's the way this works, though, when you have what he has. But that girl is a beast.
결국 이들은 기소되어 재판을 기다리는 처지.
We have located Gypsy. She is safe and unharmed.
This is an ongoing investigation. And I want to say that things are not always as they appear.
What the hell is that supposed to mean?
재판이 시작되자 법정으로 걸어 들어온 집시.
She can walk?
Son of a bitch.
검사는 두 피고인에게 엄벌을 촉구합니다.
Which is punishable by life imprisonment or death.
Miss Blanchard, how do you plead?
Not guilty.
솔직히 집시와 닉은 어려운 법률적 용어를 제대로 이해하고 있지 못했죠.
They wouldn't really do it, would they?
They can. If you look like a monster, they will probably seek the death penalty. But if you can appear sympathetic, they'll be more likely to go easy on you.
변호사는 디디가 했던 거짓말에 주목합니다.
We know that your mom forced you to use the wheelchair, so we know that you can walk. She wouldn't allow you to feed yourself, but we know you can eat. Gypsy, I've been trying to get a hold of your medical records, but I'm running into a lot of red tape. We might have better luck if a next of kin requested the record.
I don't have a dad.
Right now, the world sees you as a cold-blooded killer.
변호사에게 연락처를 받은 집시는 몇십 년 만에 아버지를 대면하게 되죠.
Gypsy, not sure what to say, you know? I know your mom's told you a lot of things.
Please, I don't want to talk about her.
Mother says child was treated for leukemia at age 3.
According to mother, patient has seizures 6 times a week.
She always spoke for you. Gypsy, that never happened. That's how she made you a prisoner.
But at least she was there. She did love me.
I was 17 when I married your mom.
I don't want to hear your excuses.
사실 아빠는 집시를 결코 잊은 건 아니었습니다.
This is a few days after you were born. I was trying to teach you a song.
매달 양육비를 보냈고 계속해서 만나려 했지만 디디가 거짓말을 하며 딸과 아버지의 관계를 갈라놓은 것.
I wish I'd got to know you. I'm so sorry.
아버지가 가져다준 의료 기록은 집시에게 남은 유일한 희망입니다.
I've shared with the prosecutor medical records which show that my client was the victim of lifelong medical abuse. She was an abused child being imprisoned and controlled by her mother, whereas Mr. Godejohn...
Counsel, let me ask the prosecutor if he concurs.
I do, Your Honor.
집시는 피해자이면서도 동시에 범죄자지만 닉은 범죄자로만 구분이 된 것.
Gypsy, what we hope for now is a deal. You plead guilty, you maybe get to walk while you're still young. This is a case of Munchausen by proxy, and Gypsy is a victim.
검찰과의 협상을 통해 10년형을 선고받은 집시. 하지만 닉은 가석방 없는 종신형을 선고받으며 여전히 감옥에 있습니다. 이 드라마는 2015년 일어난 집시의 이야기를 담고 있습니다. 8년의 형기를 마치고 그녀는 가석방을 받고 출소했는데요. 디디는 분명 필요하지 않았던 치료를 강요했습니다. 수많은 약을 먹어야 했던 집시는 이빨과 머리카락이 빠지는 고통을 받고 음식물을 튜브로 공급받아야 했죠. 무엇보다 디디는 집시가 정상적으로 성장하지 못하게 만들었습니다. 아버지와 강제로 이별시키고 집시의 주변 관계를 모조리 끊어버리며 인간이라면 누구나 겪어야 할 성장 과정을 삭제시켰죠. 드라마에서 여러 번 묘사되지만 집시는 독립적이지 못한 인간이 되었습니다. 모든 것을 대신해준 디디 때문에 선택과 책임이라는 필수적인 가치를 배우지 못했죠. 그래서 출소 이후 집시의 삶은 그다지 평탄치는 않습니다. 감옥에서 펜팔을 통해 켄을 만나 약혼을 했지만 얼마 지나지 않아 헤어졌고 출소 이후엔 앤더슨과 결혼했지만 2024년 이혼을 발표합니다. 그리고 다시 켄을 만나 현재 출산을 앞두고 있는데요. 닉은 종신형이 너무 가혹하다고 재심을 요구했지만 기각당하고 여전히 수감 중입니다.